Yeah. 1:15 on the dot, because if anything, I'm punctual. I wanted to start by letting all of you guys know that there's 1.5 billion pounds of cheese that are in caves across the United States. So if you want to know more about that, feel free to look it up. It's one of my favorite things to talk about. But everything aside, I just want to thank everybody who has been a part of this journey with me. I want to start out by thanking the two most special people in my life, my wife and my daughter. They've absolutely supported me through this entire journey, fiasco, whatever you want to call it. I want to thank the faculty. I want to thank Dr. Brewster for all of our morning talks at between 6:45 and 7 o'clock in the morning, because he cannot get in the building before 6:45. I also want to thank my K-Stocks for always being there, encouraging me, and being just a shoulder that supports me as I was having my daughter, as we were adjusting people, and just making me into a better and better chiropractor. This school has meant a lot to our family, and it will continue to mean a lot to our family. But most importantly, I want to thank God. I want to give all this glory to Him, because without Him, I wouldn't be here. And He's the one who is really giving us the miracles by allowing us to be part of a person's life enough that we get to experience that with them is unbelievable. So I'm so happy to be in the profession I am. More than that, I'm so happy to know God. So I love you all.